How to turn on profile views. Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on profile views on TikTok. So first thing gonna do is go to your TikTok application on your phone and choose profile. Then you see that little eyes beside those three bones up there. Tap on there. Then you have profile views. Turn on profile views. You're gonna tap on turn on. Now only you can see who viewed your profile in the past 3 days, and only people who turned on profile views will be shown. And also, if you want to turn off this option, all you need is tap on that circle up there. Now you have profile views, turn off, and this is it. This is our video. Hope you like it and it was helpful. And if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.